Looking for the best auto body shop in the Taylor, Texas type area? If you are trying to find an auto body shop in Taylor's type area, you are likely to have been an offender bender or worse. Millions of automobiles zip along the world's roads daily, and inevitably a percentage of these will end up in a crash repair facility, often of the owner's choosing, more often than not the insurance companies. And while a lot of commuter and daily driven automobiles that end up in a crash will be our. Watch this auto body shop video and type, but that's not all you have to fret about. Often dishonest automobile repair shops tend to overcharge for repairs performed. They tack on concealed costs. Often, they even bill you for things your automobile didn't need. Auto Body Service Estimate for Taylor's type. Your insurer is likely to know people who can help you with cost price quotes. In fact, it may even have a team of specialists designated to offer crash repair prices. Aside from offering quotes after examining the condition of your automobile, your insurer may supply you with a list of approved crash repair shops where you can go and make the most of your automobile insurance to get a better or more affordable price quote. Make certain to abide by the company our Auto Body Service insurance providers. If your automobile is insured for any sort of damage, repairable or non-repairable, the company needs to take duty for all expenditures. Therefore, the crash repair companies normally access the insurance firms and supply the quote for and price quote. This is then negotiated and agreed upon, considering your coverage and policy. Auto Body Service equipment. No matter what sort of repair services you need, a professional auto body shop can supply you with anything and everything and work on all the different makes and models. While Automobile Garage can always help you with exterior concerns, they also have the expertise to deal with crash repair tasks. Auto Body Service techs. No one plans to enter automobile accident. It must be a top priority to get the automobile repaired by a specialist and reliable automobile mechanic. Make certain that the mechanics who use accident repairs and automobile services can get your automobile back on the road safely. Auto Body Service near my house. And to make sure that quality is kept, there are factory monitoring teams that frequently examine these shops along with supply updated details and support when needed. Only by submitting to a rigid and exacting process can a repair shop ensure an anxious owner that his or her precious automobile will be restored to its original state, and that its value will be kept. Finding an auto body shop near you might be tough, but it's worth the effort. Car, Truck, SUV Parts. The automobile repair company will examine the damage and working of important parts of your automobile. If any of it requires replacement, the parts and accessories are acquired or bought by the company itself. Particular firms offer service warranties on the replaced parts so that you can get the future problems fixed from the company without spending money. Be sure to get the highest quality car, truck, SUV paint. If your automobile needs a new coat of paint due to accident repair, you can get it done by professionals who are highly experienced in restoring the automobile to the highest standards. You need to examine the credentials mostly. You need to connect with a dealer who cuts no corners due to the fact that you cannot bear any sort of inferior work. Ask whether the garage offering automobile services includes preparation time and uses a quote for entire automobile respray. It takes at least 40 hours to do the task efficiently. Auto body shops can include glass repairs too. You will probably have to have your windshield replaced and other windows. Don't drive around with a split front windshield. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.